It's DHWS Tests channel. Today Galaxy J6 unboxing and quick look. Box looking nice, box front side J6 logo. Let's open the box and look inside. Wow, front side phone is here, nice, feel okay. Put the phone side. Box up nice. Okay guys, more inside. SIM eject pin here. And more setup guide and warranty card here. More normal USB cable here, it's white color. More headphone here, it's normal type, reason it's budget phone. Last AC adapter here, it's not a fast charger, normal one. Okay guys, overall inside the box all the items I'm showing you. The phone comes with a 5.60-inch touchscreen display with a resolution of 720 pixels by 1480 pixels, Super AMOLED Infinity display with an 18.5:9 aspect ratio. More phone bottom side. Charging port and 3.5mm headphone port here. Phone left side. Volume plus and my UNIS key here, and more SIM and SD card port here. And right side power key and speaker here. Phone back side. Single camera and flash and fingerprint here, more Samsung logo. This phone main reason it's same time use dual SIM and SD card, I like this. Phone handling nice and back fingerprint set place very nice. Easy to unlock, it also support FatGrid. This phone run Android 8.0. Oreo working nice, apps run nice. This phone not support auto bright. This is bad, I hate this one main. Okay guys, let's gaming is good. See guys, the new Galaxy J6 is powered by Samsung's in-house octa-core Exynos 7870 SoC, which is one of the most disappointing aspects of this mid-range offering. This processor has been Samsung's favorite choice for budget models for the past couple of years now, with the segment begging for a refresh. We are reviewing the variant with 3GB of RAM and 32GB of storage, but Samsung has also launched the Galaxy J6 with 4GB of RAM and 64GB of storage. The latter is currently not available for sale in India, and Samsung's official website shows a coming soon banner as of filing this review.
Fuck her in the Benz. Niggas say they run my town, don't know how I'm a princess.